Hello awesome people, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Software Inc, where we are standing at the point where I am going to try and invest in the hardware factory. I want to get at least a blueprint of that going. Maybe, we don't use it yet, which of course is not very cost effective, but I mean, it's probably the best thing to start investing into that hardware factory to just see how we can build one, because I've never built one before. So we're going to find it out. We're going to start with that this episode now that we have automated a lot of our products and we have made some, a good bit of money. We're just going to see what we can do and how far we can get this. So yeah, we'll see. But before we start that, I'm going to make sure that we welcome one more person into our company. If we go over here, it's Garion of Riva, the former king. Now, Garion said that he wanted a job at our company. He didn't really care which one it was. It was just wherever is needed the most. So I put you in the dev-free team just because, there was a lot of open spots there because it's a fairly new team. And I was like, yeah, that will probably suit, right? And into your backstory. So Garion, the former king of Riva, overlord of the West, Godslayer, lord of the Western Sea, and keeper of the Orb of Aldur, has decided to hand the crown and all of his other titles over to his son, and is now looking to become part of Hipbone Inc. to get involved in the making of software. I mean, what a step. Garion was raised on a Sandarian farm before he found out he was the heir of the Riven throne, which gave him all the attributes of a Sandarian farmer. Awesome. I like the way sorry. I like the way people just go mad with these stories. Let me get my recording software back so we can actually go back into the game and I can see what's happening. Are we recording? Yes, good. Before we miss all of this cool stuff. But yeah, I like the creativity of people, of you guys, basically, coming up with all these types of different backstories. Some very realistic, some even real, as in like real life experiences, and some totally fantasy, like this one, but also like the Captain Jack one, the Lord Gandalf, all that type of stuff. It's really fun. It makes the series for a better series, in my opinion. That's why I, at one point, started with this. And that's why I think it makes a lot of sense to just continue with it. Because I think it's fun for almost everyone involved. So, let's go full speed ahead whilst we're talking. Well, whilst I'm talking. And we're going to see what we're going to do. So, let's do a quick recap of where we are right now. So, we have the antivirus designing. It's going well. October 2009 is the release date for now, but because it's in design, this can definitely still change. The first one was good. I'm okay with that. Cloudwave 4, this is the first one coming out of project management from the audio tools. Oh, it's been a while since we released an audio tool. Oh, that's good that we have one on the go. It's almost there. Well, it's not almost there. It's November 2009. That's fine. We are working on it. What's the other message? Son nervous and me is calling sick. That's fine. So yeah, we have these going, which is good to know. Next week is January. Okay, that jumped forward a lot. That's good, actually. And we're gonna just see what happens there. Hopefully that will be at least a good one too. You definitely get some system programming. We kind of need that on everyone. We have some more hosting. Nope. But yeah, since we're making quite a bit of money from just simple distribution hosting, it's not like a huge amount, but it's like a good amount of money that pays for our bills, most of our bills. It's the reason why we make a lot of money right now. Well, why we make money right now, because our actual products aren't doing like the best. It's tough to see. I wanted them to do better, but hopefully our interest in the market grows. As you can see, it's all growing, which is good. I'm gonna take a sip of my drink, by the way. Much better. But yeah, since it's well, audio tools going down now, but since this is growing, that's good. We want to grow this out. So let's develop this one and let's start working. Whilst these guys are working hard to actually get our system running, let's lease this first floor. It costs us 2,500 basically to do this. But we have our first floor now. Now this, okay, that's already rented. That's already in. Good. Let propane is sick, that's fine. So this is the area where I want to start working in. Now, it's not really big. I don't know. Can we set these ones? I want to set the cars there. So I can't select them. I want to set these parking spots to courier only. Can I do that? How do I do that? Do I have to go into build mode? There was a way to do that. You could... Formerly, you could set parking spots to... Why is that not working then? Okay, there was a way to actually set parking spots. I think you can still do. Is it like here with roads? Is it like move company leasing tutorial? Nah. I mean, the room labels, it's kind of working the same way as the room labels, where you could just set only couriers here or only employees here or whatever. But apparently, it doesn't work. So, oh, that's the data overlay. Okay, let's do the education for let's use this one for Isaac. Oh, nice. You can you are full on automation, so we're gonna give you the 1-star in HR, so that you have that, and I can be lazy. Not listening to the complaints. But yeah, I think we're just gonna build this, and then the couriers just have to get here automatically, hopefully. Is that like set up for... I'm not sure how this works now. So let's start building, and let's start thinking about this. So let's do distribution and see. With a small product printer, I'm not gonna print my own products. I don't think that's useful right now. The goal is to just start making components. So what's this? Conveyor splitter. Split incoming boxes in up to 3 directions. Well, we don't really need that, I think. Pallet drop point. Pallet pickup point. 6 boxes up from pallets if the conveyor belt is empty. The garage port, but that's here. This is the garage port. This little thing is a garage port. Oh, we have the helipad automatically yeets up to 108 boxes. Oh, cool. Okay, let's start with some stuff. So let's start with the basics, and just plop these down and see. This is a recycler. Recycles components from unfinished assemblies for later reuse. I'm not gonna put it in right now. I just want to see what these guys do. But if we have a style, we set output. There we go. So if we want to go for console operating system, we need these. We have a phone, we have an embedded system. Ooh, that's cool. I want a console. The Discord voted for a console, so we're gonna go console. So let's see, how many do we need? We need a joystick. That's 16 minutes. So we have 1 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these. So that's 5 of these for 1 joystick. And then 32 minutes. So we can have 2 of these for 1. Well, actually, 2 of these. Yeah, that's the same thing. But we want to get this to 60 minutes too. So these are the same. And then we have the final assembly. So 5 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of those. And then this is the final assembly where it just gets up. So I think that's what we want. So we want to have in total, let's see, a starting base of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. What's this? What's this? The component assembler. What's the output here? What can we set as output? Oh, those are for those guys. Okay, awesome. So we want 9 of these. Let's actually pick this up and move it around. Awesome. Those are component printers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the other side was 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really loud. I don't know if it's actually that loud for you guys. Let me actually check. I think it's okay. It's really loud for me though. So this side we will set up to build a gyroscope, and then these two. Wait, I totally made a mistake here. These guys make something every 8 minutes, so we don't need 2 of them. That's my mistake. We just need the 3 actually. And we could go up to 8 minutes to make a joystick, but there's no point if we can't make this one into 8 minutes. So Well, that's okay. So what we'll do is just these two will just be sold. So you will be set to rumble units, and you will be set to plastic, and then we will set you right here, and you will be set to a joystick. And can we move this around a bit so I can actually see? I think we need to move this up a little bit. Yeah. Let's move it to like here. Pick you. There we go. And then what we'll do, like that, like that. Awesome, that should work, right? Why is this? Staff is unable to reach. Oh, oops, that's true. Let's select everything and put it like one, like here. That should be fine, right? I think that's fine. And then what you are making is the joystick. This is a dead end. Yes, I know. For now, it is a dead end. Now, let me check the other output. So 16 minutes, 60 minutes. 2 of these will make it also 60 minutes. And then 2 of these will also make it 60 minutes. So this is good. The only thing is we need 2 of these now. I think we can probably delete this part and move you back a bit. It will help. There we go. And now connect these up. Actually, can we... Thank you. There we go. This doesn't work. We need to get like one. Let's move it up back a bit. So this needs to get into one stream. Can I please get it to the right side? Oh my gosh. Like that then. So now this is the stream that's coming out. That will go in there. And then... honestly, I think that we could do like this. No, we can't? Okay. And we probably used to have this, the conveyor splitter. And that will probably be here. No, that's not a dead end. What we kind of need here is a way to all feed this into the same one. Like that. Awesome. We need to keep this from the wall though. So now it's feeding all in here. Now we have 2 exits there. 3 exits actually. So what we can do is... we can undo... whoops. We can undo this. Now it connects into the 2. Awesome. Okay, now let's pick up all of this. Oh, wait. That's not what I wanted to do. And put it right here so that our staff can reach it behind there. Awesome. And now we need a final... actually, let's first set them up. So set output. We will have a controller here and a controller on the other side. And then the insides are going to be the board and the drive bay. Awesome. And then over here we will have the console itself. Awesome. And now what we need is a way of... do we have like ceiling mounted? Yes. Awesome. Does it work? That doesn't work. Okay. Oops. I deleted the wrong one. It's fine though. Console. There we go. Okay, so what we want is we want them all to the final component assembler, which is going to be right here, I guess. I'm going to be very curious if this actually will work. Why is this not working? Why is that not connecting? Oh, I wish we could do this underground. Okay, what we're gonna do here is gonna move this aside a bit, like this. That doesn't work. Can we go back, please? Like, undo? Is there an undo button? There should be, right? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but then it immediately connects there, which is not good. Maybe we can make it like this. Jeez, that was loud. Okay, we connect it like that. And then the final component assembler. I just don't think we have enough space actually for this. That's the tough part. So if we do like, let's space it to there, and then put it right here. But we have some room to work with now. So if it comes out, I want it to go here, here, and in here. Why is that not working? Is it because I actually have to... We're gonna see what we can do here. Awesome, this works now. It's a bit janky, the system, but it works. Okay, this is gonna be final assembly. So every 8 minutes we will have... You should put a recycler after this point. Yes, okay. But first we need to connect this. Let's go up. Okay, maybe we should start at the end bit then. And then we do this, and whoops, we do this. And it's now connected. Awesome. So both systems are now connected into this one. How much money do... Oh, we still have a lot of money. That's actually good. This is final assembly. So what we do is we will start working towards this side. Get rid of that one. Now this connects everything up. Awesome. Now the only thing is we have to, once somewhere over here, like this one, for instance, we have to just delete this and put in the recycler. Like that, maybe? I don't know what the recycler actually does. Will it just filter out components and put them somewhere like somewhere else, or what? Staff is unable to reach this component printer. Make sure nothing is in the way. Okay. I kind of see why. We probably have to move this part up by 1. Yes, and now it's reachable. And that means that... yeah, now it's still reachable. Awesome. Because now they can go around the entire way. Awesome. It's not the most effective setup, but we're learning, which is what I want. So this is going to be the exit right here. This little area is going to be the exit. The only thing we need now is pallets. Right? It needs to be in the same room as a printer. I mean, if we put pallets here... Space is already occupied. I hate the lamp there. It's annoying. We just put them right here somewhere. Yeah, it's not very useful though. Ship boxes straight to your Corey's front door. That's this thing. I'm honestly not really sure if this will work. But for now, this is a good setup. This is the first step. We don't have anything to really do yet, so let's move back out. See, did this update any important way? Not really. Hip Defender, not a lot of active users, Most boxes are fixed, so we're gonna cancel support there. This is gonna run for a little bit more. Let's see what type of... Oh, hosting Mafia Craft Camp 7. Awesome. We'll do that. Make some more money from that. But yeah, this is our first start. Sorry. Wow. This is our first start. Let's pause there for just a sec. And we're gonna see if this is gonna work. So if you have any comments, any suggestions, then make sure to leave them in the comment section. Do remember that I do record these videos in bunches. So if you leave feedback right now, I can only implement it like probably in next week's videos. So do keep that in mind. It's not that I don't listen to you guys. It's just because I have to do recording sessions, so I have to do a bunch of videos in a row. So I can't see your comments just yet. But this would be a good start. I think we kind of have a setup right now. We kind of have an idea of what it costs. Now we can start working on a team to make the console as is, and then we can hopefully start making consoles, because that's the entire thing basically. But these were our little first steps into the hardware factory. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have, then please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. As always, I've been Hipbone, you've been yourself. Thanks for being awesome, and thanks for watching.